Okay, so these are the steps you need to take to install OBS on your computer. First, get your computer connected to the internet. So here my computer is connected to the internet, okay? Then the next step is open your web browser. So here I'll be using Google Chrome for this, okay? As the browser opens, search for OBS Studio, okay? All right, after typing the name, hit the enter key of your computer keyboard. Okay, this has loaded a new page and you can see here open broadcaster software. That's the full meaning and OBS. Okay, so once you see the link pointing to this website, click on it. All right, on this new page, we are provided with some options on the type of device you are likely to be using. First is Windows, second is Mac OS, for Apple users, and the third is Linux. All right, these are the three most popular operating systems that can make a computer to function. Okay, so in this case, I'm using Windows, and probably your computer runs Windows 10 or Windows 11. So click on this option. Okay, hold on for the file to be downloaded into your PC. Okay, so you will be seeing the progress here. So once it's done, we start with the installation. Okay, the application file is done downloading. So if I click here, you will see the application file. Okay, it's 147 megabytes. So I can click on this here for me to start the installation from this window, or I can get to the downloads folder. So let's get through the downloads folder. Okay, so I'll click on File Explorer. On this File Explorer homepage, click on Downloads. All right, so the downloads page has opened and this is the application file. So we need to start the installation right away. And how do you do that? First, you have to double click on the file. On double clicking on the file, you will see a notification that looks like this. It says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC, to your device? Just click on yes. All right, this setup page has shown up. So welcome to OBS Studio 31.0.1. This is the latest as at when this video is being recorded. Okay, so click on next. Then you can read through this, but for purpose of time, let's proceed. So click on next. Then here is showing you the location the file is going to be installed. Okay, the application is going to be installed on your PC. Okay, you can see here from program files to OBS. Okay, so let's click on install. It says OBS files are being used by the following application: Google Chrome. Please close the applications to continue setup. Okay, so Google Chrome here, so I have to close it. Okay, then I'll click on retry. Please, if the error message continues to show up, you may need to restart your PC and start this installation process ahead. Okay, so let's click on install again. And as you can see, the installation is going on because I restarted my PC and then started this process afresh. But you don't need to download the application file afresh. All you need to do is to restart your PC and start the installation process afresh, okay? So let's wait for the installation to be completed. All right, so once the installation is completed, you will have an interface that looks like this. Okay, it says view release notes. It's not necessary, so allow this one to be checked alone and click on finish. All right, so you'll be taken to this window to start the other processes. Here, this option optimize for streaming recording is secondary, is chosen by default. But I don't like that. I want us to go with this option. So I will check this option, optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming. Probably that's what you want to do. And the third option is I will only be using the virtual camera. That's not what we need. So this is probably what you need this for, because we want to screen record. So check this option. After you have checked this option, the next step you need to take is to click on Next. Then on this page, click on Next. Lastly, click on this option, Apply Settings. So now that we have done the first basic setup, let me maximize this so that you see other things we can do here. All right. So the first step we have to take here is to add sources. Sources are tools that will allow us to screen record using this application. All right. So come to this section. If maybe your own source section is down here, maybe you cannot see this plus sign, please take your cursor here, press and hold on the left button of your mouse and drag up, okay, so that you can see everything happening here. All right, all these tools here, okay, because in my previous experience, these icons here were far below. Okay, so now let's start adding the tools that will allow us to screen record, which we call sources in this case. First, click on this plus sign. You will see all these options here, okay, and we are going to select one from the list. That is audio input capture, okay, which will capture our audio whenever we are speaking. All right, so click on this. Then this is the name assigned to it by default, but you can change it if you don't like it. But I'm okay with this. I don't have any problem with that. So click on OK. Then here you can, if you click here, you see some microphones. If you have a external microphone connected to this place, you will still see it here. Okay, so let's go with this microphone array. Okay, that's cool. Then click on OK. All right, you can see now with this thing we did now, another audio sign has started showing here. Okay, so all the audios that are captured here now are audio input, which is the one I'm speaking now. Then desktop audio, anything, any noise that is generated by this laptop is being captured too. Any sound, not noise in this case, and the mic and ours. Okay, so we have three here. Okay, now we need to add another tool that will allow us to screen record proper. So you need to click on this plus sign again. Then from this list of options, click on this display capture. All right, that is what you need. That is what is going to capture our screen. So anything that is displayed on the screen of this laptop, this will help capture it, okay? Which is the main reason why we are here, screen recording. So click on that. Now, this dialog box shows up here with the name display capture. So you can give it a name of your choice that you want to use to remember it, or you can leave it this way. So I'm okay leaving it with this way. So click on OK. So on this page for this display capture, what you need to do is leave this at automatic, okay, the capture method. Then click this place under display and select this option, okay, that is for your monitor. All right, you can see this has changed. It's telling you that once you tap on OK, that this will start capturing your screen. Okay, so let's get down to this section. You can see this OK section. Click on it. All right, beautiful. So with this setup, you can start capturing your screen. Okay, but let's experiment. So come down to this section, you will see the option to start recording. Okay, so click on that start recording. Then you minimize this window to record what you want to record. Okay, so click here to minimize it. All right, so I am on the desktop section of my PC. So let's say I want to talk about the File Explorer, the major folders. Okay, so I'll click on this. Once it opens, let me hold on. Maybe I want to talk about the major folders on every Windows PC. You have desktop, you have downloads, you have documents, you have pictures, you have music. Just say anything you want to say, and that will be captured, okay, by the OBS Studio. All right, it's so simple. Whether you're using your web browser, is going to capture everything you are saying. All right, so once you're done, minimize the window you are capturing, the screen you are capturing. So here, let me minimize this. And once you minimize it, get to this taskbar area. You will see this, your OBS. Click on it, okay? I'm back. We are back to the page. So what you need to do is get to this section again. That place you started the recording, okay? You will see a stop recording button there, just as I'm capturing right now. So click on that stop recording. So give it time and it will stop the recording, okay? Depending on the how sophisticated your PC is, it can be done quickly. But if it's of let's say low standard, it may take time, okay? But here it has stopped. Okay, so now that you have stopped the recording, how do you access your file? What you need to do is get to this top left area and click on this file tab. Then from this option shown here, click on show recordings. So this will take you automatically to the page, to the folder where your recording is. Okay, so you can see the one I captured not quite long. So I will double click on it for it to play. Then you minimize this window to record what you want to record, okay? So I'll click here to minimize it. Okay, let me fast forward so that it will get to where we capture the screen. It's going to capture everything you are saying. You can see it's working. All right? So once you're done, minimize the window you are capturing the screen. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Please do, because this channel is still small. Help me to make it grow, please. All right, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. If you have any question concerning this video, please drop that in the comment section and I will answer you. Watch the video at the top to learn more in tech. Thank you and see you some other time.